Push on takeoff to get your drone off the ground. Takeoff is automatic. The drone lifts off the surface and hovers in place about 1 meter above the spot from which it took off. As you can see, its sensors give it great stability, even when there are disturbances. In order to make the drone rise, push the joystick on the left-hand side upwards. To make it go back down, pull the joystick downwards. To make it pivot, move your left thumb to the right or to the left. You can manipulate the drone's movements with the accelerometer on your smartphone or tablet. To make the Bebop drone move forward, just keep your right thumb pressed down on the joystick and tilt the tablet forward. Do the same thing to make your drone glide to the left or to the right. Depending on the positioning of the drone, the control settings may change. For example, if the drone is facing you, the control settings are reversed. The Bebop drone is equipped with a GPS. To activate it, you must first activate the exterior mode in the flight settings. For outdoor flights, remove the protective outer shell. Flight settings. Vertical speed. This function allows you to adjust the drone's climbing or descending speeds. The maximum altitude option allows you to set a limit on how high the Bebop drone can go. If the drone is about to go beyond this limit, it will automatically adjust and remain at the selected height. Rotation speed. This function allows you to modify the Bebop drone's rotation speed. Maximum inclination. This setting allows you to define the maximum angle of inclination the Bebop drone can take as it moves in space. This setting directly influences the drone's speed. The greater the angle of inclination, the faster the Bebop drone will fly. The Bebop drone can also do a looping figure called a flip. To do this, quickly tap twice on the screen to activate the flip. Return home. This function allows you to make your drone automatically go back to the spot from where it took off. To activate it, go into the menu settings and click on the Return Home icon. The icon goes green and the drone goes into automatic return mode. During this period, it is still possible to control the drone. If need be, press on the Return Home icon again to disenable automatic pilot.